What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Economic Events. Today I'm going to be reading an article from Business Insider, and it's about Michael Burry. So, Michael Burry is a one-trick pony, and the Big Short investors' massive bet against the stock market is a sore loser, says veteran analyst. It was revealed that Michael Burry has placed bets with a notional value of $1.6 billion against the S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100. So, for those of you that don't know, the S&P 500 is the top 500 companies in the United States, and the Nasdaq 100 is kind of like the top 100, but it's kind of like the top 100 tech stocks. But it's got a few of the other stocks like bank stocks and other things like that in there too. So, just to kind of give you guys a brief understanding of what that is. Indicating a possible bet on a stock market crash. However, veteran analyst Marc, I'm going to mess up this guy's name, Chaikin, maybe? Disagree. I'm just going to call him Marc from now on. Marc disagrees with Burry's stance, comparing him to Mike Wilson. I don't know who that is. Who incorrectly predicted a stock rally earlier. Marc believes Burry's influence on retail traders is limited and dismisses him as a market doomsayer with just one notable success, predicting and profiting from the 2008 housing crash. While Burry's recent wagers might be hedges, they are still considered large positions compared to the size of Scion Asset Management's portfolio. Scion Asset Management is Michael Burry's hedge fund. In contrast, Marc asserts that the S&P 500 is in a bull market and predicts it will decline significantly. So, this Marc guy is clearly very bullish about the stock market going forward, while Michael Burry is very much bearish against it. Now, for those of you that are unfamiliar with these terms, bullish is you're expecting it to go up, and bearish you're expecting it to go down. So, that's kind of the simplest way to put it. So this guy Marc right here, he may have a huge position in the stock market, betting that it hopefully goes up in the near future or continuously. So like it's kind of been doing for the better part of 2023. So while Burry, he's a interesting guy. You know, he had this book, The Big Short, written about him and his success from 2008 in the housing crash and or the housing market crash, and he's calling him a one-trick pony. I guess because of that. But if you're a one-trick pony and your one trick was making you billions of dollars like it did with Michael Burry, then that's not a bad one-trick pony. So I'll be curious to see what happens with this going forward in the near future. I think I'm more inclined to agree with Michael Burry just because of the fact that the market is kind of in a weird position right now with interest rates continuously going up over the last year or so, but the stock market hasn't really gone down significantly. In fact, it's gone up. So it's a little bit of weird times. You know, when you've got guys like I talked about in my previous video with Warren Buffett. Check that out if you guys haven't looked at it already. It's another good one that I put out with Warren Buffett and with Michael Burry now coming out and kind of going. Burry's officially going against the market while Buffett was just kind of hanging around, seeing what's going on. So I think that it's possible that we're going to see a crash just because it's. I read earlier in the year that there's only about 7 or 8 companies that's carrying the S&P 500 right now, which is it's those tech stocks. I mean, it's Apple, Amazon, Google, Alphabet. It was Tesla. In Nvidia, which is up like 200%. It was up like I think 200% at some point this year. So, and then I think the other one is probably Metaverse, and I don't remember what the 7th one was, but that's kind of a red flag to me. So I'm kind of seeing what Burry's talking about here. You've got 493 companies that are doing horribly, doing are flat, or are just kind of getting a couple percentage points up for the year, while these other seven have been up significantly and been, honestly, in my opinion, carrying the stock market for the year. So, which is due to the whole AI thing. That's kind of I won't get too much into that. That's something for a whole nother video down the road for you all to keep an eye on, possibly, that I may do. So that's the main reason as to why these stocks have been why the stock market has been up so much. It's just those seven. But Michael Burry is one of those people that if they say there's about to be a storm, you better grab an umbrella. In my opinion, I think he's very very knowledgeable in the market. I mean, he's made billions over his career, which I'm not saying that this guy Marc hasn't made billions, but I personally would not like to bet against Michael Burry, just given his track record. But it's just another case of you've got a bull saying one thing and you've got a bear saying another thing, and the stock market will never go two directions at once. It's going to go up or it's going to go down, either way. So and it's going to fluctuate in between then. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Are you into this bull market right now? Are you seeing a possible bear market? Do you think I'm a fool for believing in what Michael Burry may have to say? Let me know about that too. I look forward to reading it.